Hey, can you hear me, bro? Fuck. Kicker, can you hear me, bro? It's a fucking electric fence. Hey, the fence is electric. Watch out, guys. Fuck. Kicker, can you hear me, bro? Hey, don't move, don't move. Don't move, man. Don't move. We gotta get the bike out. Watch out, this fence is electric. Just climb under, just climb under. Shit. Just stay there, bro.
Hey, someone's on the ambulance.
Hey, just.
Oh my God.
Hold on, just calm down, bro. Calm down.
All right.
Hold on, careful, because it's on his arm. It's on his arm.
Yeah, right now. Oh, look at his arm.
Guys, calm